Hi, this is Janice. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you how to make a delicious mint chocolate chip ice cream pie. In order to make this delicious mint chocolate chip pie, the ingredients that you will need would be a rolling pin, a 9-inch pie plate, 20 Oreo cookies, crushed in a Ziploc bag, 1 quart or more of ice cream. Use a jar of topping of your choice and whipped topping. Okay, now we're ready to start this pie. The first step I will do is I will put all the Oreo cookies into a Ziploc bag. Then the next step would be to get my rolling pin, and I will start crushing all the Oreo cookies. Okay, so now we are ready to crush all the cookies in the Ziploc bag. Okay, now I'm back to show you that I crushed all my Oreo cookies and I put them in a bowl. And I also went ahead and I melted my 1/3 of a cup of butter. And now I pour the melted butter into my bowl, mixed in with the Oreo cookies that were crushed. Now, with a spoon, I would mix all the butter into the crushed Oreo cookies. Make sure they're all mixed in very well. Once you have all of the mixture mixed in, then you get your 9-inch pie pan, and then you would pour it into your pan. And now with your fingers, you will form the crust, making sure you get all the edges all the way around. Get them all nice and even. Okay, now I have my pie crust formed, and now I will put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes to chill. Okay, so now I'm back. I took out my pie crust out of the refrigerator, and I also took out my ice cream 15 minutes ago so it would be easier to spread onto the pie crust. It's been 20 minutes. I just took out the pie crust, so now I'm going to add the ice cream onto my pie crust. And you do not want to touch the pie crust, so just drop it onto the pie crust just like this with a spoon. Now, with my spoon, I would just go around gently and smooth the ice cream out evenly onto the pie crust. Okay, so now my pie is ready to be put into the freezer, and I will put it in there for about 30 minutes, and then once it's already frozen, then I would add my hot fudge topping on top of the pie. Okay, now I took out the pie from the freezer, and now I am going to put on some hot fudge. To put your hot fudge, you will want to start to put it in the center of the pie. And then I will spread the hot fudge Okay, I am back and I took out the pie from the freezer. It's been 1 hour since I put it in the freezer. Now I put the whipped topping on and now you can eat it. I know you will love this pie, so let me know what you think in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!